Welcome to day 4 of our video series. Today we are focusing on preventative maintenance and effective project planning. While AI has the theoretical knowledge, your practical experience on-site is what brings true value to these processes. We use the RCTC rule to guide our AI interactions, define the role, set the context, clearly state the task, and establish constraints for safety. For example, when generating maintenance checklists, we specify the machine, its usage, the required intervals, and our specific safety focus. This approach results in a structured output that categorizes components, defines required actions, and includes essential safety notes. For more complex jobs, like replacing large electric motors, we break down the context, tasks, and safety constraints to ensure a clear execution plan. The resulting plan follows a strict sequence: isolate power, rig, decouple, and verify alignment to maintain safety standards. When estimating work, we provide the AI with specific equipment details and ask for a breakdown of duration and crew requirements. This yields baseline metrics, including estimated crew size and a time breakdown for each phase of the maintenance task. Always remember the hallucination factor. AI can make mistakes despite sounding confident. You are the final authority for every plan. Verify the plan by checking for accuracy against model numbers, ensuring complete safety steps, and confirming fit within the physical space. Continue verification by confirming physical possibility, checking for junior technician readability, and taking professional ownership with your sign-off. This matrix summarizes how our inputs or contexts translate into useful AI outputs like maintenance tables, safety logic, and project estimates. Your daily actions should be to start with the RCTC rule, draft plans for all equipment, and verify every safety step. By following this process, you eliminate administrative bottlenecks, preserve critical institutional knowledge, and lead the field.